Hey guys, I'm Sharon, and today I'm going to show you how to create a logo for your real estate business. A beautiful logo is a really great way for people to recognize your business and come back to you. Before we get started, I've created for you some inspiration which you can see right here and gathered some logos from the industry. Now, the first thing you want to consider before creating your logo is an icon. Real estate businesses tend to not have icons in their business and really keep it simple. Go with name-based or initial-based. If you do want to go with an icon, then stick to something that's relevant to the properties that you sell. The next thing on your list is fonts. Fonts have personalities, and the font really needs to match the style of your business. In real estate, they need to be very clear and easy to read, which is why you should avoid using handwritten scripts and instead go for all caps serif. The last thing on your list is colors. In the real estate business, things are very neutral, so stick to navy blue or black. That's the best way to go. So, I think we're ready to create a logo for your real estate business. So I'm going to go to taylorbrands.com and type the name of my business, Sunshine Properties. Click design, and I'm going to choose my industry, which is real estate. Telling more about yourself will really help to pick out a logo that's really suitable for your business. So, LA-based real estate office selling homes and apartments. And like I said, we want to keep it very simple, so we're going to go with a name-based logo and stick to something very simple in the fonts. So these, for example, they don't match because we need to keep it really easy to read and really simple. So in each one, I'm going to choose something that I think is the easiest one and the clearest one. I'm really excited to see what we're going to get. This is amazing. Okay. This is really great. There's so many options here, and I feel like this one is just super clear. No, you know what? This one, the first option. Perfect. Sunshine Properties. Looks amazing. I love it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.